Good morning, children. How are you all? Ready for today's rhymes class? We have finished all the second term rhymes and we are going to the third term rhymes. Okay, we are going to learn the first rhyme, and the topic of the rhyme is three blind mice. Three blind mice. Okay, there are 8 lines in it. Today we will learn the first 3 lines. Okay, children? Okay, I'll tell the first line. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. You see how they run. Second line, see how they run. You tell it twice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with the carving knife. Who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as the three blind mice? This is an easy rhyme, right? Now, what does the rhyme say? You all have seen mouse, right? Singular is mouse. You can see a mouse in the picture, right? Now you can see so many mouse. Okay, one, if it is one you say mouse, if it is two or more you say mice. Okay, so three, the rhyme says three, so it is mice. Three blind mice. So singular, it is singular, you call it mouse. If it is more than two, you call it mice. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Where do you see the mice? The rhymes tells us that the mice are in the farmer's house. Usually farmer's house, they will have a small hut. You can see in the picture there will be a small hut. There will be so many things in the house, and the farmer goes to work early in the morning and he comes home late in the night. He will not have enough time to clean the house. There will be so many grains, fruits, vegetables that he gathers from the farm, and they will be storing it in the house. So who you will see when there is lot of things to eat? You can easily see the mice. Mice comes to the place where there a lot of food to eat the food. So the mice stays in the, usually in the farmer's house you can see mice. What does the rhyme tell next? All the three mice are blind. What does it mean to say blind? You cannot see. Now I am showing you pictures, you are able to see. Close your eyes. Are you able to see anything? No, we cannot see anything. That is how blind people are. They cannot see anything. The blind mice cannot see anything. So what did all the three mice do? All the three mice, they were blind. They were living in the farmer's house. They ran after the farmer's wife. The farmer had gone into the field to work. Who was there in the house? The farmer's wife was there in the house. The blind mice could not see who that is, right? So they ran behind the farmer's wife. And what did the farmer wife do? The farmer's wife caught all the three mouse. The mouse has a long tail. She cut off the tails with a knife. The farmer's wife cut the tails of the three mice with a knife. Have you seen things like that? No, we have not seen. So the poem says, the rhyme says, did you ever see such a thing in your life as the three blind mice. As the three blind mice. This is all about your poem. Okay, shall we learn the first three lines? Three blind mice, three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. So today we will learn the first three lines. We'll be thorough with the first three lines and then we'll go to the next three lines. Okay, it will be easy. Three blind mice, three blind mice. Sing along with me. Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. Say with me. They all ran after the farmer's wife. 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 Shall we sing all the three lines? Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. Easy? We'll sing two more times and then we'll go to our handwriting class. Okay? Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. Easy? Okay. Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. I hope you have learned the first three lines. Now take your handwriting books and turn to page number 16. We'll write the handwriting. Take your handwriting books to page number 16. Page number 16. Write today's date 12/1/22. We are going to write the letter N. This is letter N. N for nest. N for nib. N for nut. Are you able to recall the words that we start with the letter N? Okay, slowly keep your pencil sharp. Follow the dotted lines and write the letter N. Trace and write the letter N. Following the dotted lines is easy. You all have learnt how to write the letter N in English. Okay, slowly, neatly. I want you to line without going away from the dotted lines. Okay, I am writing slowly so that you will also write along with me. I want all your handwriting to be very neat and very tidy. Slowly trace and write the letter N. Okay, writing on top of the dotted lines is easy. When you come to blank space, you should write slowly and neatly. Okay, dotted lines you will be able to write without any help. Okay, are you able to follow? One more line I will show you, and then I want you to write and send me. I hope you are writing your handwriting books also along with your other portions. Okay, so is it clear? Page number 16 you will write for today's homework. Okay children, thank you. See you in next class. Have a nice day.